Welcome to a road test of our 2013 63 plate Vauxhall Bavaro CDTI Auto Special Edition. Excuse me. We're just giving it a little run up the road just to road test it, see how it drives. Drives really well. Nice auto, smooth box, changes up nicely, cleanly. No warning lights on. Everything's a-okay with it. It is a great car, to be fair to it. It's a really nicely spec car, which is what appealed to us, to be fair. It is the special edition, but it also comes with the upgraded RF900 sat nav with DAB stereo. It's got both sound system, front and rear parking sensors. It's got full perforated black leather with the heated seats, which are like a 3-stage heated seat. You press that, and there you go. 2, 3. You've got power fog mirrors. It's got electric rear windows. It's got rear privacy glass. It's super, really nice car. It drives lovely. Looks great. It's black metallic as well, so it's got a really good look to it on the outside, and the spec is awesome. It's got a fantastic pedigree, full service history. It's early doors supplying dealer. It's FG Barnes Vauxhall that supplied it and serviced it in the early stages, and then it's independent more recently, but we've got full history stamped in the book. We've got 2 remote keys for it, and it is only a 2-owner car from new, logbook and everything with it as well. So pucker car, really nice car. It comes as well with our 6-month comprehensive warranty that's included. That's provided within the price of the car. So overall, brilliant package car, great pedigree, great looking car. All the information about it is on our website, which details the options that are on it as well as the general spec. If there is any additional information you'd like on that, or the finance options that we have available, or our home delivery service, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.